Hey folks, I'm attorney Roger P. Foley, driving right now back to the office. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about being an honest attorney. What do I mean by that? It means like I'm going to give you an example of something that happened this morning. Client came in, a parent, on a juvenile case. I had spoken with the mother previously on the telephone. She said she had some paperwork, but she really didn't know what it was. And she ultimately set an appointment with my office after I had quoted her a price on the telephone. So, and sorry guys, I got to drive so I can't stare into the camera. So the woman comes into my office today with her son, and as I'm reading through their paperwork, now I already have my retainer agreement and everything set up, and it's not a terribly expensive case, but it's a $2,500 case. So woman comes in, I'm looking through her paperwork. We always make copies of things. I go downstairs, I'm meeting with her, I'm kind of going through the documentation she has. And what I realized during that conversation and reviewing that paperwork is it looks like the state is offering a diversion program right off the bat. And a diversion program, for those who don't know, is you have to do something. It could be community service hours, it could be taking a theft class, it could be taking, whatever the case pertains to. If it's theft or if it's drugs, it could be a drug class. There's different things that are required. Community service hours on the juvenile. Ultimately, if those things are completed, the case is dismissed. So the woman had explained to me that she understood what a diversion program was, that the family member had or someone in the family had one before. I told her, I don't know if, your son's going to be eligible, but it looks like they're putting him in that right now. Now, you have to make a phone call. There's a sheet of paper here in your documents that says you must call on this date, this time, and inquire. So I said, there's really no sense in handing me a check for $2,500 today, because during the course of that conversation, they may offer you that program. And if they do, that's the smart move. So, based on the facts, after speaking with you about the facts, after speaking with your son about the facts, it's not a winnable case. So if you can get, this young man into a diversion program, and you can do that with a telephone call, then no reason to spend $2,500. That's what I call an honest attorney. I'm not patting myself on the back. I'm just giving you guys an explanation of what do I mean by an honest attorney. I could have very easily, handed her my retainer agreement. She would have signed it. I would have made the phone call, negotiated what's already been negotiated, and collected $2,500 like pass go. But that would make me a douchebag attorney. I don't want to be that guy. I don't want to be a dishonest attorney. I want to be an honest attorney, and I know that's an oxymoron, right? Jumbo shrimp, I got it. So that's what I mean. You want an attorney that's going to take the time to look at your paperwork, give you a few minutes of their time for free, and be honest with you. And that's what I think that I do on a consistent basis, 365 days a year. Someone comes in and I really don't think I can help them, I don't take their money. I say I can't help you, or you don't need me, or you don't need me yet. Anyway, I'm attorney Roger P. Foley. That's my day. Bye.